Okay, now in science today, you get to do something super cool. You get to put animals and plants and everything, lots of different things, into two categories. You get to put them into living, things that are alive, and non living, things that aren't alive. Now, things that are living would be something that's alive, which means it's something God made. So, plants, animals, people, all the things that would be alive. Non living would be something that people made, like this whiteboard, like a desk, like pens, a house, everything that you use pretty much on a daily basis, like a cup you drink from, the straw you drink from, the books you read. Those are all things that are not alive. They're not things God made, they're things people made. So I drew some pictures. I know they're not the best pictures, but what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the picture to either living or to non-living. The first picture is a picture of a fish. Living or non-living? You got it, living. Draw a line to living. The next one is a house. Living or non-living? Way to go, non-living. Ooh, the next one is a plant, a flower. You got it, living. The next one might not look like it, but it's supposed to be a lamp. Is a lamp living or non-living? You're right, it's non-living. Last but not least, a balloon that's floating away. Living or non-living? Way to go, you got it. It's non-living. So that's what you're going to do today, only you have super cool pictures to look at that look better than my drawings. So have fun. I can't